The number one secret to creating a thriving business is being attuned to your magic. When I first started my business, I was not attuned to my magic and really created my business from a space of lack, and everything that I created vibrated from the space of lack. I lacked confidence. I didn't believe that I could travel the world and actually get paid. I didn't believe that people would buy my offers and seek out my facilitation, and had to go through a healing to heal that. And so once I began to heal, there was an energy that showed up that accelerated everything that I had gone through in those beginning stages. And this is what I'm talking about. This is that space of being attuned to your magic. You have a power and potency and capacities that are so powerful and so dynamic that everything that you're asking for will actually show up if you are willing to be that powerful, if you are willing to be that potent, and if you are willing to be that attuned to your magic. So let's talk about that. Let's talk about what it actually takes to embody this power and you showing up in your business in this power so that your business can thrive and be sustainable. So one of the things that really brings out this energy, this magic, so that clients are asking to work with you and asking if you have space to facilitate them, and they're desiring everything that you are asking for, is letting go of this notion that you are not good enough. There are many business owners walking around with this energy of, I am not good enough. Once you let go of the I am not good enough, different energies start to show up and you start to walk in your potency and capacity. And I am not good enough energy shows up in a number of ways. So one, you don't create your business. You have fear that you can actually be successful and you hold yourself back. I'm not good enough also shows up when you're always seeking validation that someone else knows more than you. You're always searching for that next strategy that, oh, if I get this one tip, this is going to change my business, rather than tapping into and being attuned to your magic. Your magic will open up the possibilities of exactly what it is you require. What potency and power and capacity is required in your business so that your ideal clients can find you with so much ease. It's not so much about getting a certification or a doctorate. I'm not saying those things are wrong, but sometimes people weigh so heavily on that aspect. Yet what you know, the magic that you hold goes beyond that. That certification, that a piece of paper is not there to validate you. You are already validated. You're already enough. You don't need anyone to tell you that you're powerful. When you create from that space, when you go and let's say you go do that certification or that training, it becomes even more powerful because you are not placing power in a license or a certification, because you already know that you are abundant, you are powerful, you are potent. That energy is an invitation to your clients saying yes to your offers, because they can perceive what you can facilitate just by you fully embodying your magic. So don't walk around here second guessing yourself and, being afraid to take leaps and risks. When you take leaps and risks, you step into the energy of trust. And you're no longer tethered to this reality that If 1 + 1 = 2, that means I'm succeeding. You no longer play by those rules. There's a whole different energy that is available to create with, where you're stepping into the realm of the unseen and facilitating energies and generating so much wealth just by being in your potency and in your magic. This is what I'm facilitating and inviting you to in my one-on-one coaching sessions. I'm opening up this space for 2 people to come and work with me one-on-one so you can be attuned to your magic, so you can fully embody your potency and power and stop looking outside of you. Stop waiting for people to tell you that you're powerful, that you are beautiful, that you have wisdom. Stop waiting and come into this space that is going to unravel and unwind all of the spaces where you are choosing lack. All of the spaces where you have pushed away your power and potency to create in a dynamic way. It's by application. Go to my link in bio and apply so that you can begin to create your business with ease. Travel the world if that is what you desire, creating your business. Stop struggling with the monthly income that you're asking for to show up. That can show up. The key is, are you ready and are you willing to step into your power and into your potency and into this space that I am inviting you into?